Hello. I've got a filter on because I haven't had any makeup on all day. And yeah, I just thought I'd pop on and say hello, and if anyone wants to join me this Thursday in Herne Hill, I've got an improvers class at Lowy for the loom, the salvage speed loom, so I can teach you how to darn if you've already done the beginners class. And if you'd like to learn and you are in as I was saying, if you'd like to learn how to use the salvage speed loom, I've got a class which is open for booking in Shoreditch. So you can learn how to darn a hole in and daughter's sweater or a sock, whatever you want to learn to repair. Anyway, be nice to see you either way this week or in May. Oh, next week. And then I was just darning using those, and then I discovered. So happy! Darning! Excellent.